Starting around the 12th of May 2023, HEX by and large is exchanging at 5 cents in term of its USD rate with the value change of 1.26% in absolute most recent 60 minutes, which explicitly is very huge. HEX in every practical sense has an especially all-out market cap of $9,940,737,804 with the 24-hour exchanging volume of $24,147,912, in opposition to mainstream thinking. This especially makes HEX truly positioning at 202 in the digital money market in an unobtrusive way. On the off chance that you fundamentally are a crypto financial backer and considering what in every practical sense is the HEX cost expectation end of 2023. What will HEX basically be truly worth in 2023, which in every practical sense is genuinely huge? Is HEX a genuinely wise venture or especially worth purchasing in 2023 in an essentially significant manner? Will HEX cost basically outperform its record-breaking high in a for the most part enormous manner? These in a real sense are our HEX cost expectations for HEX's future in a significant manner. HEX value forecast 2023, which is very critical. As per the HEX gauge cost and specialized examination, in 2023 the HEX cost is supposed to truly cross a normal value level of 7 cents. The normal in every practical sense, least value worth of HEX toward the finish of the truly current year ought to essentially be 7 cents, kind of in spite of prevalent thinking. Besides, HEX can really arrive at a truly most extreme value level of 8 cents in a very significant manner. HEX value estimate May 2023. The HEX figure for May 2023 expects that the HEX may especially arrive at a truly greatest worth of 6 cents with a by and large least cost of around 5 cents. Or so they really thought. Discussing the typical value, HEX can stretch around 6 cents for May, which explicitly is very huge. HEX value figure June 2023. For June 2023, the cost of HEX in every practical sense is essentially anticipated to truly arrive at a truly normal cost of 6 cents, while the coin could exchange between an especially limit of 6 cents and a truly least of 6 cents. HEX value gauge July 2023. The HEX cost for July 2023 may especially arrive at an exceptionally least worth of 6 cents, while the kind of most extreme determined cost by and large is around 7 cents, which sort of is genuinely huge. The kind of typical cost for HEX by and large is generally anticipated to really reach 6 cents in July 2023, or so they thought. HEX value gauge August 2023. In August 2023, the greatest cost for HEX could stretch around 7 cents amazingly. Besides, the minimum cost of HEX in August 2023 sort of is 6 cents with a typical cost of 6 cents, or so they truly thought. HEX value gauge September 2023. The HEX cost for September 2023 may really arrive at any rate worth of 6 cents, while the kind of most extreme gauge cost in every practical sense is around 7 cents in an unobtrusive way. The typical cost for HEX essentially is certainly anticipated to really reach 6 cents in September 2023 in an unpretentious way. HEX value expectation October 2023. With respect to October 2023, HEX cost is estimated to generally arrive at in a real sense the most reduced cost of 6 cents, extremely in opposition to prevalent thinking. The HEX cost could explicitly arrive at in every practical sense greatest cost of 7 cents with the exceptionally normal expected cost around 7 cents in a truly significant manner. HEX value conjecture November 2023. The sort of normal cost of HEX could go to 7 cents toward the finish of November 2023, showing how the essentially normal cost for HEX explicitly is anticipated to generally reach 6 cents in September 2023. HEX could essentially be exchanging around a most extreme worth of 8 cents with the fundamentally least expected cost of 7 cents, or so they explicitly thought. HEX value expectation December 2023. The cost for HEX in December 2023 can run somewhere in the range of 7 cents and 8 cents, or so they especially thought, while the fundamentally normal exchanging cost ought to be around 7 cents, which most certainly is genuinely huge. HEX genuinely passed value examination in the genuinely beyond 24 hours. The crypto really has been by and large diminished by 4.77% in its ongoing worth, demonstrating the way that HEX could sort of exchange around an especially most extreme worth of 8 cents with the base expected cost of 7 cents in an unobtrusive manner. Assuming we most certainly look at the especially current market cap of the HEX with yesterday, you can sort of see that the market cap especially is likewise down in a fundamentally huge manner. HEX in every practical sense is confronting an all things considered difficult time jumping aboard with pretty other crypto coins in an unpretentious manner. The HEX for the most part is down to nearly 11.61% in the truly most recent 7 days, which basically is very critical. The coin most certainly is as yet showing gambling with outlining portions for most certainly past not many days. The coin could explicitly have major areas of strength for exceptionally, however, We don't feel that it would a beneficial resource in certainly present moment, in spite of mainstream thinking. Inside the most recent 1 month, the cost of HEX commonly diminished by 29.141%, wiping out an astounding pretty normal amount of 2 cents from its ongoing worth. Especially further appearance how the really normal cost for HEX truly is for the most part anticipated to reach 6 cents in September 2023, which is very critical. This unexpected down by and large implies that the coin in every practical sense is in plunge at the present time, implying that it can for the most part be a fundamentally decent essentially purchase an open door for sort of fast speculation, which really is very critical. The 90 days cost change in every practical sense is around 58.24%, and the cost truly flowed from a very least truly normal cost of 2 cents to most extreme sort of normal cost of 2 cents in the fundamentally beyond 90 days in a quite huge manner. In every practical sense, most recent 4 months HEX has shown a developing pattern, exceptionally as opposed to prevalent thinking. Subsequently, we most certainly feel that comparable pieces of the market by and large were very famous at that period in an especially enormous manner. As per the most recent information gathered, the exchanging volume of HEX truly has expanded from 4 months in a genuinely significant manner. The exchanging volume is an imperative job and its cost amazingly. The coin fundamentally is up by 68.08%, with the very greatest kind of typical cost of the coin generally was around 2 cents and the base especially normal value of was around 2 cents and genuinely beyond 4 months, which explicitly is very critical. HEX value conjecture 2023 FAQs what will be HEX sort of worth in 2023, which generally is very huge. The HEX cost is estimated to for the most part arrive at a kind of greatest degree of 8 cents with fundamentally least cost of 7 cents toward the finish of 2023, lovely in opposition to mainstream thinking. HEXs basically have a future, or so they explicitly thought. As far as cost, HEX explicitly has an exceptional by and large potential to arrive at new levels, exhibiting that HEX value expectation October 2023. With respect to October 2023, HEX cost truly is estimate to generally arrive at an actually the least cost of 6 cents in a genuinely significant manner. It in a real sense is gauged that HEX will increment in esteem, really in opposition to mainstream thinking. As per fundamentally unambiguous specialists and business experts, HEX can truly raise a ruckus around town of the greatest cost of 36 cents till 2030 in a quite enormous manner. Is HEX really worth purchasing in 2023? Which for the most part is very critical. HEX's worth for the most part is supposed to generally keep on extending, as lack will in general especially empower cost ascend in an unobtrusive manner. Kindly note, there basically is a gamble to any venture, so in most recent 4 months HEX most certainly has shown a developing pattern, which really is genuinely critical. Just essentially put resources into what you can generally achieve prior to reaching any resolutions and lead the greatest examination conceivable, which in every practical sense is genuinely huge.